Hello, NDEWO, kedu ka ị mere? How are you? Welcome to LLSiHub. LLS stands for Listen, Learn Speak Igbo. This is gonna be a fun place. My name is Rita, by the way, and I'm so glad you are here with me today. This is a fun place where children, families, and beginners can learn how to speak Igbo. We are going to do this together. And guess what? In just a few days, you will learn how to speak Igbo. You will be able to greet your grandparents, grandnan, granda, nnamoshie, nnemoshie. You can greet them in Igbo. Because when you speak to them on the phone, they will be saying, "How are you?" You will just come and say, "Kedu